hundreds upon hundreds of times I projected and she projected. And now we're learning to break the spell and take responsibility instead. So my emotions are in me, they're in my body, they're my emotions in me. She didn't send them on a projector. She's not firing a laser beam making me feel bad, with like firing bad emotions at me and like coming sticking to me. It's me. It's all me. Okay, so that's I won't get like deep into that because I've gotten deep into that in many videos before. So check my playlist below in the description of this video, as well as my herb store, Higher Self Herbs, for any help. Or I do live coaching, and my books and video courses coming up that are so cool and epic. Just super life positive and transformative and fun to read, and deeply, such deep, like powerful life transformative wisdoms in there that I've been granted by Mother Spirit. Mother Spirit's challenges, kicking me up the bum. Learn this, Owen. I'm like, ow! You made me feel annoyed. You upset me. Actually, wait a minute. Maybe you didn't. Maybe it's me. Yeah. So I won't get deep into it, but in this video we'll talk about the biggest mistake, clarify it. Clarify about our emotions and our body. And clarify the blind spot. And just let you practice this now. Your workshop is a take home. Whenever you feel an emotional upset, that's your work. That's how you're going to become enlightened. That's how you're going to raise your vibration. That's how you become much more inner peace and happiness and joy in life. Okay, that's the biggest part. One of the biggest parts of your work is to become okay with feeling not okay emotionally, or else okay with feeling not okay physically. And when you don't feel okay physically, know it's going to make you feel not okay emotionally and mentally too. So become okay with all of that and start to make little changes in what makes you feel okay or not okay physically by looking after yourself more, practicing self-care and self-love more, and minimize the damage when you don't do it perfectly, which I don't expect you to do. I don't. As part of being human, we're learning and growing and getting out of addictions and habits and patterns and lifelong ingrained conditioning from our society and our culture, our family. Project. So next time you feel bad and someone's did something you didn't like, see if you can notice yourself thinking, you fecker, you did this to me, you make me feel annoyed, you make me feel upset, you make me feel lonely and sad. I feel this way because of you. You did this to me. Don't like you. You're just always messing things up. It's your fault. You did it. You're bad. You're wrong. See if you can notice all this stuff within you. The automatic reaction and emotion to verbalize and to communicate, to criticize, to put down, to blame. Okay, and then instead, look, where is it coming from within you? What memories does it bring up of when you're treated like this in the past? Who treated you this way? Could have been your dad rejecting you, abandoning you, shouting at you, being mean to you, raising your voice at you, your mother. It's all sorts of places it can come from, okay? Usually your parents. But I'll talk about that in another video, loads of other videos. I've already done that. So I know this video is going to help gigantically. Now you know your work to do. So for this whole live video on Facebook, there's been no viewers. What's up with that? Am I being censored? Anyway, I don't care. I have no attachment to that. Well, I do care, but I don't really care. I have no attachment, so I'm 100% happy either way. I don't mind whatsoever. Pretty crazy though, eh? All good. All good. Lots of love. So see if you can claim back your power so you feel joyful and happy no matter what, as much as possible. And when you feel shitty, see if you just sit in your shittiness and see what memory is it bringing up. One you can remember or one you can't remember, who treated you similar or exactly like this before. And that's the wound that's been brought up, to unhealed pain. And see if you can sit with this unhealed, painful emotion that happened in the past instead of blaming the other person. And then you project and you fire this pain at the other person as if they did it to you. Really, it's coming from you and also your past. And when you feel your feelings with loving acceptance and non-resistance, and you know where it's coming from, and you have the clarity and the wisdom to know the truth of the matter, then you don't have to perpetuate verbal and physical violence and get caught up in a big, massive, crazy mix-up where everyone's projecting on each other and no one knows the truth of all of their own pain, and you can end this whole charade. Okay? So yeah, utmost respect though, massive respect. No, I'm not laughing or judging anyone, because I've done the same way, and I'm not judging me either. Like, we just learn as we go along. So this will be your learning video, and check out my other playlists, all that sort of stuff for free. and I have like really wonderful like books and video courses coming up, like I said, and yeah, I'm a bit of a joker at the same time, but extremely serious with these matters. Yeah, lots of love. Have the best day ever. Thanks for watching. I'm wishing you truly love, joy and inner peace, and your family and friends and partner. Take care. Lots of love. And befriend me on social media below. All the links are below. You can connect with me. Connect and collaborate. That's the name of the game. Beautiful soul. I better go. See you around. Lots of love. And again, thank you for watching. Your time and attention and love and positive remarks, and thanks for sharing so others can learn. Global Ascension.